You got to take care of things when you can. Hey, hi, Angel here. Thanks for stopping by. I'm on my way to the dealer because my 2005 Prius has had the red exclamation point of doom off and on. Well, for a year off and on now, but in particular for a couple of weeks. It's been more persistent, actually a couple of months. So I've been driving my car sparingly. I have taken it to the dealer a couple of times. They wanted a lot of money to diagnose it. And as some of you other Prius owners probably know, because I understand it's not an uncommon phenomenon, this car will throw exclamation, yellow and red exclamation, take to the dealer points, and then short out, the whole dash goes dark. And then when it comes back online a couple trips later, some of the exclamation points are gone, but the red one has stayed in this case, as has the check engine light. Although I notice my hybrid light exclamation point has clicked back off. That's been off and on for a while now. I'm showing you the sky because isn't that spectacular? Anyway, the point of all this is, other than just sharing a little detail about my 2005 Prius and my experiences, a car which I have loved, by the way, and put over 100,000 miles on. And yeah, it goes fast, it hugs the road, it's got lots of little sensors, and that's why it throws a lot of lights, but it has been a very reliable vehicle, hasn't left me hanging yet, so I appreciate that, even with all the warnings. So I'm on my way, though, to get maybe its last oil change, I'm not sure, I may have to let it go. And I will know shortly after I talk to them at the dealer here in the next hour or so. And the point, though, is just that you got to do what you can with what you have from where you're at and take care of what you can take care of. So Sandia Mountains over there with some nice clouds trying to gather around. Looks like it's thinking about trying to rain, but I know our climate well enough to know that's unlikely. Probably going to be dry. Maybe it'll sprinkle up there on the mountain. Anyway, along those same lines, you got to make do with what you got. You got to take care of what you can take care of and then let the rest go. You can't, there's no point in stressing over the things you don't know or stressing over the things that you can't take care of right now. Rather, spend your energy taking care of the things you can take care of, taking authentic action from where you do know, where you are certain. Because I guarantee there's things you know you need to do. So don't waste your time pondering and stressing and just wasting your energy over things you're not sure about yet. Just wait, hold, you will know eventually, and then you will take action on those things. And until you know, take action on the things you are sure about. Or if you really need to take action on something and you're not sure about it, then be willing to accept that you're going to possibly make a wrong decision or make a mistake, and that's okay. You're going to learn from it as you go. There's some projects where that's necessary, and some projects where biding your time works better, and only you can know. And sometimes you get it right, and sometimes you get it wrong. But as long as you're moving forward, that's what really matters, I say. So I wish you forward momentum and clarity in knowing what you can change and what you can't, and taking the action that you can take when things are clear, doing the best you can from where you are with what you have. That's my 2 cents for right now. I hope you're enjoying the sky wherever you are. I'm about to the Toyota dealership. You can see it right ahead there. So I will wish you adieu, a cheers, a positive day full of creativity and playfulness. Peace.